Hi, I'm Kevin Matz, and I'm the president of the New York State Society of Certified Public Accountants, and also the chair of the NYCPA's 2026 Annual Estate Planning Conference. Wearing my hat today as conference chair, I would like to invite each of you to join us at the Society's Estate Planning Conference on May 21, 2026, which my firm, Aaron Fox Schiff, is hosting at its Midtown Manhattan office, with a webinar option available as well. Each year, the sponsoring committee assembles a dynamic agenda designed to help practitioners navigate the most significant developments shaping estate, gift, and trust planning. This year's conference will once again offer timely insights into emerging trends and practical strategies relevant to professionals advising high net worth individuals, families, family offices, and closely held businesses. This promises to be an absolutely phenomenal conference, and I hope you can join me there, be it in person or via webinar. Thank you, and have a great day.